Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on the channel. Today I'll be actually restoring and modifying this go-kart. I know that in the past episodes, like I did like 10 months ago, I redid the paint and everything, but that's all I did. I have more experience and more experience, I guess, with working on this kind of stuff. So I know what to do now. So I'm going to redo it, whole thing. I might even add a wing back here. I don't know. We'll have to see. So I have a confession to make. I abandoned this go-kart literally 10 months ago. So now it's all dusted and ruined, basically. But I want to see if that motor still works after being in the weather and the rain for so long. I'm actually going to do it correctly this time. Because last time I didn't even primer the paint before I painted it. Okay, now I'm going to see if it's even going to start. It might not even turn over. We'll have to see. Guys, it looks like to me that this is the right size. There you go. It's dry rotted. There's a huge stick in the thing. We'll have to throw it out. Gosh. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm finally going to take the rest of the go-kart apart because it was getting too late last night. It was too dark, I couldn't really see anything. But we have go-kart in the garage. We moved it. Took a pretty long time. The tire was flat. So we got the go-kart onto two jacks stands, and we also have it jacked up in the back so it won't move around while it's jacked up. Got the first tire off. So the 34 millimeter actually worked, and that just got the tire completely off. I ain't going to worry about taking all of that disc plate and everything off. I'm going to leave those on. 15/16. I took off the screws where I'm not supposed to, so all it did was basically expanded the tire. So I'm going to have to deflate the tire, put it back on there, and then unscrew it. Okay, so now I got all the tires taken off, both of the back and both of the front. Now, before I have to clean this thing up, get all the leaves out, I'm gonna have to take the motor out, which is gonna be quite difficult. Well, it should be pretty simple in theory, but it might be difficult because some bolts are hard to get to, but we'll have to see. Yeah, it goes to the gas. It's the throttle cable. Could easily take that out. The kill switch. Gonna have to see if we can get that off. Got the shock vac out. Now it's time to clean up all of the leaves. So now it's time to take off the motor mount and everything. So this is going to be such a task. And after we get done with taking the motor off, I'm going to see about washing it off it's going to be a whole lot lighter, so it'd be easier to carry the frame around without the tires or the motor. So it won't be such a hard time to moving it all over the place. So the engine still works, which is really good after 10 months of being in the rain and everything. So now, you can take this off. Okay, so I need to get a small Phillips screwdriver, but it doesn't look like we have any. You remember that you actually have a toolbox in the back of your truck, which I totally forgot I even had. So that should be useful. Come on, go in there. There you go. There. They got even Allen wrenches in here. I totally forgot I even had this thing, even though I just used it like a couple days ago. Okay, so get out there. Okay, so we need a Phillips screwdriver, which I think that the 2 number, or this one, should work. You can see the throttle cable right there. Then I can get the engine out finally. There you go. Throttle cable is detached. There we go. Bad boy's out. This thing is looking rather dirty. Okay, so we finally got this go-kart frame outside of the garage, and we had to actually get this little wagon on here. Took a long time to get onto that wagon. Yeah, it took forever to get that go-kart frame onto the wagon. But now I have I can transport it without the tires on, and so it'll be a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna wash it. It's banana stuff. I'm gonna make my go-kart smell like bananas. I got some degreaser. So we got a sudser onto the water hose, so it should suds up with the soap. So let's go. So in the next episode, I'll be modifying the motor for my go-kart. Not reveal what I'm going to do to it. You'll just have to wait and see. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to wait until a different day to finish cleaning it off when it gets a little warmer so I could actually get it better and do not get sick. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe because I'm going to have future better projects coming your way. And please like this video and share it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.